In this video, I'm going to show you how to track DHgate order. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by basically signing into your account and then hovering over your account name up top and clicking on My DHgate. From here, as you can see here under My Orders, it says Order Tracking. So just click on Order Tracking. It's going to take you to a separate tab in your browser, and this is where you have to put in your tracking number, which of course you'll be able to see under your orders. And then you also will have to basically verify by typing in this number over here. Then after you type those two things in, click on track over here, and you should be able to track that way. Now, if for some reason it's not working for you, you can try one more thing. You could go to 17track.net or any of the similar websites, and then on a site like this, you could go and of course start by pasting in your tracking number over here and clicking on track. But if that doesn't work as well, you could go to the bottom of the website here, and then here under user guide, it says brands. You want to click on brands, and then inside brands here, you want to search for DHgate. Like this, there we go, and then you want to click on search, and then from here you want to click on DHgate, and it's going to open up a separate tab where basically you have to type in your tracking number from DHgate and then click on track my order, and that way hopefully you'll be able to basically track your order. So those are the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.